Hello and welcome to i2PDF Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Repair PDF tool. This tool will help you recover data from a damaged or corrupted PDF file, if possible. This PDF file is damaged, and as you can see, I can't open it. To fix this problem, go to Repair PDF. Choose your damaged file. Click on Repair PDF and click Download. Open your downloaded file, and now you're done. Thank you for watching.